Okay, here we are. Okay, so now another customization you can do with your channel is go to basic information. So you need to think about this one, but your name. So choose channel's name that represents you and your content. Changes made to your name and picture are visible only on YouTube and not other Google services. You can change your name twice in 14 days. So think about it, what you want your name to be. So I'm naming this channel Creators Corner. Handle Creators Corner 55. Moving on down, descriptions. All right here's where you're going to briefly describe. It gives you 1,000 characters to briefly describe what your channel is about. If it's about gardening, talk about that and what the value is for people to watch this channel. That's really what it is. So whatever your skills are, put in here. That's what this channel is about. Okay, here's your channel URL if you wanted to share that. And then if you want to put your email address, you can put your email address down here if you want people to be able to reach out to you by email. Okay, guys, are you excited? All right, so do that. Then after you do that, you'll publish it again, and then you're good. Okay, check out the next video on how to create your thumbnails.